Namaste everyone. Myself Om Prakash Koryal, a yoga teacher in Mahatma Gandhi Institute, Culture Cooperation, a culture wing of the High Commission of India for Spain, Trinidad and Tobago. Today I am going to give you the lesson simple asanas which you can perform in your home. So first asana we will do Vajrasana, and then Sasanka Asana, and then Ustrasana, and after that Vakrasana. So that first come to the Sithil Dandasana. This is the Sthiti. Both the hands behind the body, hand hanging freely, and relax for a while in this posture. After 10 seconds or 20 seconds, it's on you. Take your time to make comfortable. And after that, join the legs together and fold both the legs one by one. And sit on your heel. Both the palms resting on your knees, spine erect, head erect, normal breath. Those who are beginners, they can perform this asana 10 to 15 seconds or 20 seconds. Those who are regular practitioner, they are supposed to take more than 30 seconds. This practice is very good to improve your concentration power and improve your digestion fire also. So this practice you can do anytime in the day, after lunch, after breakfast, after dinner also. But try to do this practice on empty stomach. Now slowly, after 10 seconds or 20 seconds, unfold a leg one by one and relax in Sithila Dandasana. Both the hand hanging freely, both the hand back side, head hanging freely and relax. Now the next practice. Again join the legs together. Both the hands side of the body. Now we'll do Sasanka Asana breathing. So that fold both the legs one by one. Sit on your heel. Both the palms on your knees. Relax in Vajrasana. And after that, slowly take your body arm behind the body. Catch on the right wrist from left hand. Now we are going to do Sasanka Asana breathing. With breath, you have to move your body. So inhale. Expand the chest, lean your body backward. While exhale, bend forward from lumbar. And try to touch your forehead to the ground. Inhale, come up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, come up. And release your hand and relax in Vajrasana. This is the one way, and another way we will do now. Sasanka Asana stretch, and you can do so slightly apart knee as much as you can. Place your both the palms in front of you on the mat. And now within inhale first, while exhale, bend forward slowly as much as you can do. Stretch your spine and try to touch your chest to the ground, face facing forward if you can. Now slowly come back. Join both the knees, both the palms resting on the knee. Each each asana you have to perform minimum 10 seconds, maximum it's on you 1 minute, 2 minutes, and it's depend on your practice, regular practice. Now slowly unfold the leg one by one and relax and sit Dandasana. Having freely and relax. Minimum relaxation 10 seconds, maximum 2 minutes. Now the next practice. Slowly join the legs together. Ustrasana, camel pose. Fold both the legs one by one. Sit on your heel. Both the palms on your knees. Relax for a while in this posture. After that, slowly stand on your knee. Toes facing inwards. Place both the palms on your waist. Now we perform the Ustrasana in two ways. One for the beginner and another one is for only those who are regular practitioners. So palms facing forward. Now with inhalation, inhale slowly, bend the body backward with eyes open. Exhale from center. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, center. Third round, inhale, bend back and hold the posture as much as you can, minimum 10 seconds. Exhale, come center. Release your hand and relax in Vajrasana. Now one more round we'll do Ustrasana, camel pose in different way. For the regular practitioner, slowly stand on your knees, toes inwards, place both the palms on your waist. Now inhale slowly, bend your body backward with eyes open. And then slowly release your right hand, hold the ankle from both the hands and stretch your body. Slowly come center. Relax in Vajrasana. Then slowly stretch your hand in front of you. Sasankasana. Relax in this posture. Slowly come back to the Vajrasana. Now unfold the leg one by one. And relax. Now we move to the next practice, Vakrasana. So that join legs together, fold the right leg at the knee, right hand behind the body. And now stretch your left hand up above your head and twist your body first, then cross over your thigh and catch your angle joint from left hand and face facing backward. Normal breath. If possible, close your eyes. Hold the posture with normal breath. Inhale, come center, unfold the leg, chain the leg, fold the left leg, left hand behind the body. Your left leg was supposed to be nearby to the right knee. Stretch your right hand up above the head. Now again twist the body first. Then lock your right knee, left knee, and hold your left ankle through your right hand. Face facing backward, normal breath. Push your body as much as you can. Inhale, come center, unfold a leg, and relax. Now the last practice in sitting posture, butterfly Titilyasana. So that fold both the legs, catch hold of the toe from both the hands. And now start flap the leg. Minimum 50 round, maximum 200. It's on you as much as you can. This practice is very good to improve your health, flexibility. After 50 round or 100 round, now place your both the palms on your knees. Now with exhalation, press it down. With inhalation, join both the knees. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down and hold. Just it as much as you can. Normal breath. Inhale, come up, and slowly unfold the leg and relax. And simply Dandasana. And after 10 seconds, and relax. Thank you very much. Namaste.